Okay, it is somewhat pleasant outside today, so we're gonna see if we can't repair the EBDM, is that right?
EPDM.
EPDM. There are some tears in it, and so we want to just see if we can't patch it until it gets replaced until it gets warmer. And yeah, we're heating outside, but
it's got to be above 40.
And it's getting there. So anyway, let me show you. See, we got some tears all along and over here. So Frank's cleaning the area right now, and then he's gonna patch that. On here, there's a couple of leaks out that way, over there by the propane tank. Let me zoom in. It's kind of like a mesh tape. It's a patch that will seal itself, I guess.
No, I'm gonna put this.
Right. But it will hold the
I don't know, we're gonna find out.
yeah. We kept this stuff in the car to keep it warm. Like icing the cake, huh, babe? Like spreading molasses on a cold day.
It's spreading pretty good.
Yeah. We had to get stuff that was able to work with the roofing.
40 degrees.
Yeah.
40 degrees and above.
Yeah, it's just about there. The sun's gonna hit it and that will make it nicer. It's not supposed to rain for the next couple days, so it should be set. Still kind of drying out from yesterday's rain, but
it's gonna be better than the hole.
Yeah, that's for sure. Putting anything on top of that once you have that done?
No. Gotta wait 30 to 90 days before you put anything on top of it. By then we'll have this stripped off hopefully and redone.
Yeah. I think it's one of the first things that we'll probably end up doing in the spring. Problem is the water water's getting back behind the limestone, and it's on the front facade. It's getting in there, and it's kind of breaking off some of the stone. We can't have that.
Up.
I'm not stepping in anything. That's you.
All right, I'm gonna try to fix some patches. This is modified bitumen rubber that's supposed to melt. It's called Torchdown roofing. It's real thick stuff. It should go really well on the roof. But for right now, I want to patch some rubber roofing that's there right now. So I'm gonna see if this will stick to that, and in the meantime, I'm gonna see if it'll stick to this. The felt we have there. So this is just a propane torch. I'm going to try to see if we can melt some of it. First I'm going to see if it burns the stuff. If it just gets too much. Well, I don't think that's going to work.
I don't think that's going to work.
Let's try the rubber.
All right, to the rubber.
If I accidentally hit it with the torches, I'm gonna... That's better. All right, so that won't work, but this maybe. Can you even hear it?
So you just kind of melted into it?
Yeah, this melts.
you get it hot and then you flip it over?
Well, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You melt the stuff, and then see if it sticks. And then
Oh, it kind of has like a tar layer on it. Okay. Much better than pouring buckets of tar.
yeah, I don't know if it sticks to rubber roofing though.
Yeah. Well, this is not clean by any means. This is just a proof of concept.
Yes.
We're really good at proof of concepts.
Well, it depends on if the proof of concept works or not.
It is a little on the chilly side, so it's taken a little bit more to get it to melt.
And very windy.
And yes, and extremely windy.
Nah. I might.
As long as it's clean, I think that might make a difference as well.
Because we have some really big holes we got to patch with this stuff on the portico.
Yeah. That is a cool sound.
Do the stick.
Okay, so that patch didn't stick, and we're going to try it out of the wind because it is windy and on the chilly side, and it may not be a big enough torch. I think we have a bigger torch. So it did catch right there on the corner, but I can actually see the flame now. We should have smell-o-vision. You should get the smell of this stuff.
Is it good or bad?
It's not terrible. Just smells tarry.
It just has to stick good enough to keep a little water out for a little bit of time. No,
It's just too cold.
no, it doesn't stick to it.
Oh.
Since it's 40 degrees out, this stuff isn't supposed to stick. But maybe if it gets warm enough.
It looks like it's sticking even with that being dirty.
Yeah, that's why I'm testing it dirty. It'd be nice to have something patched before the
Well, tonight,
really,
yeah,
really,
we're
really
supposed to have, what, over a half an inch of rain tonight, so all the buckets are empty in the house. So, all right, let's see what it did.
stuff better than that other stuff. Still not good enough to patch with.
Still not good enough to patch. You think it's just too cold?
No, it's not designed to.
It's not designed to go over this.
Stick to the rubber.
Mm.
This stuff is.
But alas, it didn't stick.
If it doesn't stick, you gotta quit.
So we're back to the drawing board on that.
Yeah, it was gonna be a nice try.
Yes, it was a really good idea.
It's only where it meets up with the, or I mean, it's only leaking in the porch, so.
Yeah. We just don't want it to continue to do that. Alrighty. Okay. I missed it, but Frank tried a different kind of roofing. Is that what that was?
It's some flashing tape stuff. It's actually rubber. Has a good adhesive on it.
Okay. Did you have to torch
Cleaned
it?
and warmed it up, and it sticks really good.
Okay. And that's what we need it to do.
So that's what we're gonna use.
All right. So we found something that's going to be able to patch some holes. All right. Okay, we're out here. And these are the holes that we're dealing with. There's one there. And this one just pours into the patio underneath. And all along this edge, you can see this.
Is this supposed to be a downspout here?
I think so. All along this edge. You found the dead? Okay.
Might help.
You can see where that is just rotted out. This is, and then you can see over here. So those are the holes that we're attempting with. Okay, just like we did as a test down there, Frank's cleaning the areas and putting that, what is that?
I don't know. Some kind of rubber flashing.
Okay, so, and trying to cover up some of these just gaping holes, I guess.
That's what I would call them.
And so while he's doing that, I'm over here trying to clean out the gutter. And ish is the best I can. Anyway, better than what it was before. So we'll just see if that makes a difference. All right. Okay, I got the gutter as swept out as I could. And Frank's been busy patching lots and lots of holes. So hopefully this will bring it down to a trickle. But we did flush out we uncovered the downspout and poured some water down it, and it comes out at the bottom, so that's a good thing. So anything that will help. The wind does not help this situation at all. Okay, we didn't get all of them, but that's okay. This is just a test to see if it, with the gutter now open and some of the bigger holes patched, we'll see if it just pours in there. Tonight will be the big test. So. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time. This is my buddy. She doesn't leave my side much. Do you, Mia? Make sure the mama's good, huh? I'm a good girl.